Okay, welcome back, YouTube. So, we're doing something a little bit different today. I don't know if you'll find this interesting or not. Hopefully, this all works. But I kind of messed up working on the header the other day. So, when pulling things back into place, bump the cable with the cutoff wheel. And now we have this. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this off. We're going to open this up, braid it back into itself, and make this come along work again. It's not the best come along, but it's come along. So, get started. Make a nice clean cut there. Now, I don't know if any of you all are getting older, can't see, can't remember stuff. Yeah, I had my glasses sitting on top of my head, but so we have a center core, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wires. So we will try to pluck out 3 of these. Wow, this thing is crazy rusty. We're looking at here. So what we're doing is we're peeling these 3 strands out of this. And as you can see, whatever that center is, almost looks like a piece of rope. So you can kind of see here, hopefully you can see, yep, how this just lays back into itself. And this works with big cable, little cable. Actually have a tow cable, ouch, that's come out of a drag line, and that's a dual cable. I think we're just gonna unwrap this junk out of here. So what it is it's a shielded cable. That one was a little bit tricky to braid because I had to do it twice. So that one's a little different. That has 2 tails. However, doing it this way comes a very strong, robust connection. So as we bring this around, it just lays in there super nice. And if I had brought that tail in just a little bit farther, let me say that differently. If I had overlapped just a little bit farther, we'd have a tail. We could lay that in, take it all in. But as far as that goes, I think we're just gonna tape that up and call that good. Because that's gonna hold like crazy. Actually, let's do it the right way. So now the question is, do we unwrap and just make that eye a little bit tighter? Let's just make this eye a little bit tighter. See how, ouch, how that goes. Actually, this might work out pretty good. Oh yeah. So that tail's right down there in that V. This tail, we're gonna sneak through here. We'll bring that around. So what we end up with, just a little bit of a gap there. But this all twisted together pretty good. Ideally, or if you really wanted it to be strong, you'd put a saddle clamp on there. And the rule of thumb on saddle clamps is you never saddle a dead horse. So the saddle would go on the pull, clamp would go on that side. But for this situation, we're going to cut this mess off. We're going to just wrap this in electrical tape. But that is way stronger than just folding it over, clamping it. One thing I hate about working with cable though, it likes to poke you. Or if you wanted to get crazy fancy, you could lay a little bit of shrink wrap. Slip that over, shrink wrap all this down. That actually might not be a horrible idea. Wait till it breaks next time. We'll wait till dummy Russ cuts it off. Should do is just tie that tail back into itself. That will be another video. But there's our eyelet. Everything should work right as rain. Thanks for watching.